So I finally finished my first month with Facebook Reels. Let's take a look at how much I made. Let's take a look at everything. Come on, come on, come on. As you can see, I've started my second month with Facebook Reels. I've made $705 and I'm in progress now. This is how much money I made, $705.10. My end date was July 9th, which was yesterday. I had over 2 million plays. So as you can see, you need a lot of plays. Okay, so now I'm at $11 currently. I started today. I'm at $11.20 with 28,000 views, and this ends August 9th. So I have a ways to go, but as you can see, I'm still at $1,200. I didn't go up to $35,000, but it's okay. Maybe next time. Okay, I'm not sure if you're aware or not, but the rules have changed. I'm not sure the exact date right now, but still be on the lookout. The new rules are you have to have at least 100,000 views / plays with 5 reels or more within the last 30 days. So the rules have changed. It's simple. There's no invite, but you need to sign up, and I will leave that down in the description. You click the link where you can go ahead and sign up, and also I'll have the information about the new rules. There's no date on it yet. We're still waiting on the new date. So keep posting those reels, and you will do great. I'm so excited that it's not invite only, because it's not fair to people who have made a lot of views and were not invited. So now you're able to be invited. Just have 100K plays / views along with at least 5 reels in the past 30 days. If you have that right now and you go ahead and sign up, when the new update takes into effect, you will be able to make the money. So run that money up, run those views / plays up, and make sure you keep posting those reels, and also your hashtags. Sin told you that.